Goku, move. Who y'all barking at? Move, Goku. Ooh. Goku. Seems like they got their daddy's, mommy's attitude. Look, they're not even 3 weeks old, these puppies. They are so ahead of their milestones. Stop. Who you looking at? Stop. Goku, move out the way. Hey, Chi-Chi. Hi, mamas. Three weeks and already coming out of the little thing. Look, trying to be with dad. Oh, that's Goldie. Goku, be nice. Goku, move. They're just so adorable. I don't know how I'm gonna let them go when the time comes. I know I'm gonna have to, but hey.